singer Rose gives fans a mini heart attack while addressing rumors Jordan Smith is her jealous and possessive ex with lie dictator test. Blackpink singer Rose has put rumors about her love life to rest once and for all. During the recent lie dictator test administered by Vanity Fair, the singer firmly denied any romantic connection to hip hop artist and actor Jordan Smith, questioning any speculation of him being the jealous and possessive ex reference in her song Toxic Till at the End. The K pop sensation who recently made history with her chart topping album Rosie has finally addressed the buzz surrounding her its song's inspiration in a candid interview where she appeared calm and collected. Rose shut down the dating rumors with a direct response when asked if the track was about Jordan Smith. She confidently replied, "No, it's not about Jordan Smith." The polygraph examiner confirmed she was telling the truth. The 27 years old artist went on to emphasize the platonic nature of their relationship, warmly noting his good friend to Hi Jordan, miss you lots. When pressed further about whether they had ever dated, Rose's film no response was again verified as truthful by the lie dictator. The interview posted on YouTube on January 16 has already amassed nearly 2 million views with fans expressing their intense reaction in the comments. The Jordan Smith question scared me so much, one viewer exclaimed, capturing the collective anxiety of the moment. Another commenter said, I got chill when she says near I got mini heart attack when interviewed asked, have you ever dated Jordan Smith? While some fans remained skeptical with one noting LMFAO for real. Some part of me still think it could be him so, but at the same time no. Others were relieved to have clarity on the situation. Truth that Jordan Smith question was really shocking. I'm glad that Rose finally cleared the topic so haters can't no more troll her. A sport wrote. Some fans took a more defensive stance with one asserting, why, if you ever believed for a second that it was or could be true, you are an idiot. Or never in his life could he pull Rose following this release of her music video for Toxic till the end. Fans are speculated that Rose might be dating her co-star Gossip Girl actor Yvonne Mock. The timing of these relationships coincided with Rose's remarked success. Her debut album Rosie has claimed the number 3 spot on the Billboard 200, setting a new record as the highest charting album by a Korean female soloist in US history. The album's lead single APT featuring Bruno Mars reached number 8 on the Billboard Hot 100, making Rose the first female Korean artist to break into the top 10 according to Billboard. The friendship between Rose and Smith reportedly began in 2019 at Coachella, where Blackpink delivered a memorable performance. While Smith and sister Willow maintained sportive relationship with the group, some fans misinterpreted this interaction as romantic signals. Still, crush reports social media amplified these theories, particularly after the Rose Connection fan page tweeted in 2021 about Smith following Rose on social media and pulled some photos of the pair kicking it. Meanwhile, Smith's unromantic life has seen recent turbulence. His relationship with Seb Zedar ended in 2024, followed by a controversial episode involving model Cleopatra in Ibiza, Spain, while he was on vacation. Paparazzi captured the two kissing and hugging while on a yacht and in the sea. The situation escalated when Zada later accused Patrick of physical assault, sharing evidence of some scratches on her as a result of her altercation. Smith pursues that experience through his music, releasing 2024 a case study of the long-term effect of a young love, a project exploring the complexity of the modern relationships. Rose's record-breaking album delves deeply into personal themes, while Smith channels his relationship struggle in his latest music. This underscores that the most compelling narrative in music often stem from real life experiences, through not always the ones fans might expect, and certainly not the idolized couple they envision. Please subscribe my channel and like share my videos.